asked how to buy shares of Rexford Industrial Realty Inc., a real estate investment trust focused on industrial and logistics properties listed on NASDAQ under the ticker REXR. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading a government ID, and add funds to be able to buy shares. Use a platform search and type the ticker REXR to find Rexford Industrial Realty Inc. Select the listing that matches the company name and NASDAQ market to ensure it is the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart displaying recent price movement. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ exchange, and ticker before moving forward. To place an order, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details carefully. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After purchase, the position will appear in your portfolio showing quantity and cost. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to explore the platform further.